Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on XRP 7 days ago, to be precise on January the 2nd of this year, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $2.3964. And my main assumption was that we are forming, and basically we were forming for quite a long period of time, and we are still forming the ABCDE correction pattern inside this flag, and we have to see a tiny leg to the upside that should retest this sloping line, the range of resistance. Then we have to see the E leg, the E wave to the downside, and then we might have a breakout that will break this range of resistance. And guys, take a look right here. We were at this very point and we had a tiny leg to the upside that retested exactly the range that I marked previously. Then we had this movement to the downside, and for now, guys, potentially this is the perfect contender of the bottom of the E wave, and potentially we might see the next leg to the upside that will break a couple of previous swing highs. So definitely, this is another evidence of the power of technical analysis, and if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to join my Patreon account. And as you can see, I added a gold tier for $150 a month. There will be just 10 people who will join this tier, and guys, this is the real gold. I will show you how to properly use technical analysis, and I will show you the exact setups for multiples of crypto assets and stocks, and you will easily make much more than $150 a month within just several weeks. And this is pretty much an investment in your successful trading career. And if you want to be one of 10 people who will join this tier, please free to do it.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And let's take a look again at its price action. I have to admit that from the bigger picture standpoint, we don't have much of a changes. This asset went from the very beginning of November till its highest point, and XRP gained, let me show you, about 460% to its value. Then it had this type of retracement, and guys, you can watch a lot of my previous videos. You can find all the links on my previous videos right here, Ripple XRP previous video, and you can prove my words that I caught the majority of these movements, and that is why, guys, you can rely on my technical analysis as a part of your due diligence. So, and let's take a look at the bigger picture of the entire crypto market. For now, the global crypto market cap is $3.31 trillion. It is a 1.6% increase over the last day. And as you can see, we are pretty much in green for the majority of coins for last 24 hours. But previously, we were deeply in red. And you know that, let me show you right here. Bitcoin has a quite unsuccessful movement to the upside to break $100,000 mark. Let me delete all these tools. And then it had a substantial movement to the downside. And for now, guys, we have all the chances to break these previous swing highs, and potentially it will be the beginning of a new, at least medium-term bull run. That is why, guys, all other altcoins are in green, as you can see, and definitely XRP, one of these coins, and potentially within upcoming several days it will break its formation. And let's take a look at its price action again. Guys, I have to admit that XRP is one of the first coins that should break its resistance and that should start the initial altcoin rally. Because previously, if you take a look at this coin retrospectively, you will see that XRP and XLM were two first coins which started this previous rally. For example, they started XRP started it at the very beginning of November, and on top of that, guys, potentially this price action will be extremely aggressive. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So far, we are still forming this flag, and you know that, and I told you about this fact in my previous videos, that E wave is the most unpredictable wave inside this formation among all ABCD E waves, and I have to admit that the invalidation point for this pattern will be the breakout below this bottom at $1.96. On top of that, guys, it is extremely strong range of support. Let me show you. Let me switch to 4 hours time frame, and let me show you its wait a second, its price action back in the days. Even on a daily time frame, it will be much more visible. Right here, you can see that the previous previous swing high that was established back in April of 2021 was exactly at $1.96. And as long as this range holds, we are extremely bullish. And we've completed only 3 waves, because this formation usually appears on the 4th wave. And this means, guys, we have at least one more wave to the upside that should complete the entire structure. And guys, what price targets we might have? I have to admit that the price targets are basically still the same. The range of about $3.8 is the first target, but don't be confused. First of all, we have to hold the bottom of. Wait a second, I will show you more thoroughly. We have to first of all hold this range. We shouldn't break $1.96, and we have to break this previous swing high and this swing high. Only in this case, the breakout above $2.73, it will be a confirmation of the beginning of its rally, because if it breaks first range, it will be just a first sign of its potential rally. But the breakout above the B point will confirm it, because, guys, on the grand scheme of things, if it breaks this point, we might see just an extension in the D wave. And as long as D wave is below the B wave, we might have another attempt to form the E wave, and then we might have a breakout. But so far so good. We already have quite a lengthy wave, quite lengthy D wave. And this is, as I already mentioned, the perfect contender of the beginning of new uptrend. And guys, how to define the targets by yourself? You have to pull the Fib retracement tool. You can find it right here or right here, and you have to not retracement but extension, Fib extension tool, from the bottom of the wave to the top of the wave and to the bottom of the retracement. The lowest point is right here, and the most probable, the most common price target, the most common extension is 0.618, and it is the price point of $3.8. Most likely, guys, we might have an extension, and these two price targets are the price targets for the extension in the 5th wave. That will land at the range of about $4.32 and even $5.8 mark, which implies, guys, from the current price, which implies to the first price target about 64% of potential profit, to the second price target about 87% of potential profit, and to the first price target about 151% of potential profit. So quite lucrative setup, especially if you take a look at the potential downside of this trade, and the downside is only 17% compared to 150 of the upside potential. That is why, guys, I think it is quite lucrative setup in the medium-term perspective. Be cautious with your with the breakout below crucial points or above the range of resistance, and wait for the update that I will make within the next several days. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna